guys, this is me, Advait from Advait's Techmart. Today I got my new Lego Minecraft 21163 set and I'm very excited to open this. So let's start opening. Let's start opening this. Here we have it. Our Lego parts and our Lego set. And this is a manual book. Let's check out our pieces. First of all, I'll take this aside and I'll open this one. So I'll open this one. What do we have here? So we have some crossbow and some sickle and axe. Oh yeah, axe. And 3 swords, I guess. Yeah, 3 swords. And then now I'll open these. I got this here. So this is the iron golem part. So we have these different parts for the iron golem, red and grey, I guess. Yeah. So now I'll open my third packet. So here also we have some parts to make the pig and the chest, all that. So this is my final product and we are done here. So go and hit the like button, press the share button and smash the subscribe button. Bye!